Welcome to the world of prosperity and welcome to yet another episode of weekly review of Pulse of the Stock Market. In this review, we normally check a few indexes, how they performed in the previous week and what we can expect in the upcoming week. As I always say, make trend as your friend, and these indexes actually gives you broader direction how the market is moving, right? And let me share my screen. And before I share, the index screen, let me share the standard disclaimer. This disclaimer is basically the SEBI requirement. Please read through the disclaimer. The purpose is this video is purely for education purposes and don't consider it as any recommendation or something, right? Please do your own research before taking any calls as far as the investment goes. And we are not the SEBI registered investment advisor. So please read through the full disclaimer. Let me now share the trading view screen so that we can review how the indexes are going. So first index which we normally check is the Nifty, which is Nifty 50. And when we see the daily index, if you see, this was, the candle on, say, 4th of June was the candle when the election results were, declared. From that point onwards, the Nifty 50 is in a good trend and it is on a all-time high, territory, right? So if you see last 5 days, it has touched the new high. So we feel the large, the Nifty 50 index is in a good trend and we are expecting it to continue. And many of the large cap, shares, they are doing well. So please do research accordingly. Then when it comes to the mid cap, the situation in the mid cap is what is happening, even if the trend is good, but it is trying to touch new high, but there's a tug of war between, say, bulls and bears. So it is touching a new high and then it is pulled back. So it is tightening, but maybe looking for direction. And we feel because of the budget, it is looking for the direction. So maybe this week and next week, possibly it will continue to be like this. But still, there is no, fear of worry because it is looking for direction and maybe it will remain like this for next maybe 2 weeks, right? Then if you see the small cap index, so there also the situation is more or less similar. So if you see the last 5 days, it is almost trying to touch new high, but again it is pulled back and it is remain range bound for the last 5 days. So till the budget dates, which is coming, I guess, next week, this is expected to be like this, but there is no need for worry. And why I'm saying is that if we see the volatility index, which is India VX index, it is last 5 days, it is still in a range bound. The first 2 days it went up, then again it went down. So it is basically is within some smaller range. So there is no, you can say, fear in the market as such. So it is just looking for directions. So this is how we analyze, the index, just to see how it is moving and what we can expect in the near future. So if you want to learn more about how, to read these charts and, how to, understand all these things and how to interpret these charts, you can join my community. The details are in the, below the video. And you can always follow hashtag Sunil Gupta 95 and you can join my community anytime. Yeah. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and till my next video. Take care. Goodbye.